What happens when classic American utility meets modern muscle car aggression? What you're looking at here is the rebirth of an icon, the 2026 Ford Ranchero, reimagined for a new era. Based on the images we've uploaded, this isn't just a nostalgic nameplate revival. It's a bold statement from Ford, blending coupe-style performance, premium interior craftsmanship, and real-world utility into one striking package. Let's start at the front, because this is where the Ranchero immediately demands attention. The nose is wide, low, and unapologetically muscular. The large, blacked-out grille dominates the fascia, framed by sharp LED headlights that feel closer to a modern Mustang than a traditional pickup. The hood scoop is not just a visual flourish. It reinforces the performance intent, hinting at serious power underneath. Chrome accents along the lower bumper add a subtle nod to classic American styling, while the aggressive splitter gives the front end a planted, road-hugging stance. This is not a soft utility vehicle. From the front alone, the 2026 Ranchero looks like it was designed to intimidate traffic and turn heads in city streets. Moving to the side, the Ranchero's proportions really come into focus. The long hood, short cabin, and extended bed create a silhouette that feels both retro-inspired and unmistakably modern. The coupe-like roofline flows cleanly into the bed area, creating a seamless transition that distinguishes it from conventional pickups. Large black multi-spoke wheels with red brake calipers fill the arches perfectly, reinforcing the performance identity. The low ride height and sculpted side skirts give it a street-focused look, almost like a muscle car that just happens to have a cargo bed. This side view is where the Ranchero's personality shines brightest. It's equal parts lifestyle vehicle and performance machine. At the rear, the Ranchero continues its modern interpretation of classic utility. The tailgate design is clean and wide, with bold Ranchero lettering stretching across the center, paired with the Ford branding above it. Slim LED taillights run horizontally, emphasizing width and giving the truck a confident, modern signature at night. The rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets, further reinforcing that this is not just about hauling cargo, it's about performance. The bed itself appears practical yet refined, suggesting this vehicle is designed for both daily usability and visual impact. Step inside and the Ranchero surprises again. The interior blends performance-focused design with premium comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-oriented, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen that controls infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. The use of tan leather seats paired with black surfaces and red ambient lighting creates a warm yet sporty atmosphere. This cabin feels closer to a luxury performance coupe than a work truck. The steering wheel, flat-bottom-inspired design, and metallic accents all reinforce the idea that the Ranchero is meant to be driven hard and enjoyed while doing it. While official specifications haven't been confirmed, based on the design cues and Ford's current performance lineup, the 2026 Ford Ranchero is widely expected to offer multiple powertrain options. Entry-level variants could feature a turbocharged EcoBoost V6, delivering strong torque and everyday efficiency. Higher performance trims are likely to receive a naturally aspirated or twin-turbo V8, potentially producing well over 450 horsepower. A modern automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive as standard, and optional all-wheel drive would make sense for this platform, ensuring the Ranchero balances muscle car dynamics with year-round usability. If this model reaches production, pricing is expected to start around the mid-$40,000 range for base trims, with high-performance versions pushing closer to $65,000 or more. Based on industry timelines and the maturity of the design shown in these images, a late 2025 reveal with a 2026 model year launch would be a realistic expectation. The 2026 Ford Ranchero, as seen in these images, represents something rare in today's automotive world: a true fusion of style, performance, and utility. It doesn't try to replace a pickup, and it doesn't try to be just a coupe. Instead, it creates its own category, honoring the Ranchero legacy while pushing it firmly into the future. If Ford brings this design to life, the Ranchero could become one of the most talked-about vehicles of the decade. Let me know what you think. Would you daily drive a modern Ranchero like this?